In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a token in MetaMask. If you've hidden a token in MetaMask, don't worry. You can make it visible again without affecting your balance or ownership. Unhiding a token simply restores it to your assets list. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you step by step. First, you need to open the MetaMask browser extension or the app on your device. If you are using a browser, look for the MetaMask Fox icon in the extensions area. Click on it to launch the wallet. If you're on a mobile device, find the MetaMask app in your app drawer and tap to open it. You will see your wallet interface, which is where all the action happens. This is essential as it provides access to all your tokens and assets. Next, navigate to the Tokens tab. This section displays all the tokens associated with your account. It's crucial because this is where you will manage your tokens. On the browser, this tab is usually prominent at the top of the interface. In the app, you will find it in the main view. Once you locate the Tokens tab, you are one step closer to unhiding your token. Now let's open the Manage Tokens or Manage menu. If you are using the browser extension, locate the three dots which look like an ellipsis in the Tokens section. Click on those dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Tokens. If you are on the app, tap on Manage in the upper right corner of the token screen. This action is important because it allows you to access the settings specifically designed for managing your tokens. From there, find the hidden token in the list. You may need to scroll through your tokens to locate it. Hidden tokens are typically not displayed in your main token list. However, they will appear in the Manage Tokens menu. This step is vital as it ensures you are addressing the correct token you want to unhide. Once you have found the hidden token, turn the toggle on to unhide the token. This toggle is a simple switch that allows you to control the visibility of the token. When you turn it on, you will see the token reappear in your assets list. This action does not impact your balance or ownership in any way. It merely makes the token visible again for your convenience. Finally, return to your tokens list. At this point, you should see the token you just unhid appearing in your wallet. This completion confirms that the process was successful. You can now easily manage and view your token alongside your other assets. This little step saves you a lot of hassle later when you want to access or trade that token. Note, if you hid a token in MetaMask Portfolio, the process is slightly different. Open the Tokens view, click More, then select View Hidden Tokens. Here, you will find a list of tokens you've hidden. Locate the token you want to unhide and select Unhide next to it. Remember, Unhide only makes it visible in MetaMask. It does not alter your balance or blockchain ownership. This clarity is essential for managing your assets effectively. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to unhide a token in MetaMask. This process helps keep your wallet organized while ensuring you maintain control over your assets. Happy trading!